Hi, I'm Sean, and this is Kyle, and we're your writing surface experts from Claridge Products. Today, we're going to be showing you the installation process for the Splined Profile Marker Board. First thing you do is you want to inspect your product once you receive it. Look for any type of a freight damage. After you've done that, you want to determine the height of your panel. Here's a Z-bar that mounts to the actual wall, and what we have done is we've engaged it into the Z-bar that comes mounted to the back of the panel. We've measured down from the top of the panel to the bottom of this Z-bar hanger, and we've wrote that measurement right here just to refer back to in the future. We'll repeat that process for every hanger. At that point, go to your wall and find your desired hang height. Strike a line. We are using our laser today. It's a self-leveling laser, and I suggest that you do that especially if you have multiple panels. We've put our laser on that line, and we will mount this hanger on top of that line. We will repeat that process all the way down.
You need to drill that.
Okay, so we've got all three Z-bars mounted. One thing that I want you to be aware of, if your wall has got a big bow or a big divot in it, you'll need to shore up. This hanger needs to be as true and plumb as it can so that it's not pulling these hangers off the back of this panel. At this point, we're ready to hang our first panel. This run is going to come with a steel spline, and all we're going to do is put it in this spline joint so that we can attach the next panel to it. We will repeat the process. So now we've got our other three Z-bar hangers mounted to the wall. We're ready to hang this board and then slide it over so that our spline joints come together. Be sure not to bang those edges together. It could cause chipping, so just be careful as you're sliding those together. And basically you'll repeat just as many runs as there is, or many panels as there is in that run.